regarding market updates, why market sold off today, what's the S&P 500 is telling us, and breakout play on Rigetti, wedge breakout setup on Tesla, and possible bounce zone for Meta. And I also will share you the government's is a very big news for crypto. That's why there is a rally all day. Governments want to create a US crypto reserve like the US gold reserve. We will go there too. And in the end I will show you one swing trade strategy is going to be breakout this week very soon for QBTS. I will show you price to buy. This is the swing trade strategy I made for myself. The price to buy, sell according to all my indicators and chart study. I will discuss with you in the end. But before going to start anything, I want to show you something. This is my Discord channel. On the July 8, I'm covering two powerful stocks, SMCI and AMD. Both have a great fundamental and strong technical setup. This could move within a week or even sooner. So this is on July 8. I give in my Discord channel SMCI, AMD, price to buy my like I give QBTS. So this is, I shared my own strategies. I'm not giving whatever I don't do. So my job is to study the chart, use my indicators. I go here, this is my chart. On these all my indicators I use for support and resistance, volume, VWAP, EMA crossover, chandelier exit. I use Bollinger Bands, Ichimoku clouds. Here, Ichimoku clouds. I use triple EMAs and I use smoothed Henkanashi. So with all these indicators and chart study, including RSI and MACD, I made my strategies. And so in July 8, I made the strategy similar like this. And today you will see a result. I'm not ending here. On July 7, I give another on the same day, maybe same or next day, I'm not sure, but it should be dates here. On July 7 or July 8 to 12, and this is for July 7, SoFi is already went through. BBA is already went through. IRN is already successful trade this week and last week. QBTS is coming. I'm discussing. This is the only one is lagging behind. All these Rigetti, it came today. So Rigetti is a 30% today jump. So this trade I gave on July 7 and it went very well today, is a 30% increase. So this is, and I also gave all the price to buy, sell, and I did exactly the same. So let me see the results. So this is my AMPX and one more thing. So this is the I swing I gave on the July 11. Yes, one more. On the July 11, I give you swing trader for Solana, BMNR, and IREN. All three work again. Today Solana was really high, and BMNR is already worked from jump from $35 to $55. So yesterday I also give you, again I give a reminding, another strategy for SMCI and AMD, and it was on July 14 and worked very well. And this is, I'm just, whatever I do, I show. Not this one, not the one, oh yeah, I already give this strategy AV, but no, I'm not talking about this one right now. So this is one for I made my strategies, I played as I made and made a profit. So let's go over, now I'm giving a QBTS, and yesterday I also give you another strategy on my YouTube channel about NEO. Where's NEO? Yes, this one, yeah, swing trade strategy for NEO. I give a price to buy, sell, everything, and I'm already in a profit right now. It's already right now in a $4.20. So this will be my breakout, and it will be good swing trade. This is my opinion. So I'm not your financial advisor, so you can study your own chart. I can help you to study your charts. So my job is to make you enable to study your charts and take your swing trades by yourself. So let's get back to our topic. So I'm sorry for I went to give a recap about my last week and this week. So here, let me give me a moment, my dear brothers and sisters. Welcome to this channel. The name of the show is Trade with Harp from San Francisco. So in this video, I will show you why this morning market sold off hard because of the rumor. People thought the US administration was planning to fire Federal Reserve Chairman. So then the news came, then news gone, then market came back. So you can see the result on S&P 500 here. So this is the time. So before you go there, let me show you hourly chart. You can see from here, since the market, this is 7 a.m. It keeps selling until this rumor cleared, and then go back, selling again, and then go back to stable, right? Crossing the 50 EMA. So let me see. Let me go to daily chart. So if you look I always give you update on S&P 500 every day. If you watch my previous video from the Tuesday and Monday, so this is my trend line for S&P 500. So this is a triple trend lines. This is very important and crucial point. So I'm keep telling you from the last 1 week. So if you see this, all the three trend lines are connecting here. So now we're going sideways. We have two options here. So if this is the line, trend line is 630.29. If we close the candle above or gap up to this zone, we then still get a rally on up to 630, 40, 50, whatever you call it. So, but we have to cross this line, this zone, this trend line is very important. If you see, let me zoom in. So many times we try to jump or cross this line, but we only go wick, and then sell off. So either we have to, I'm not be negative or positive, I'll give you both scenarios. You can decide by yourself. It help you to take decisions, but I'm not taking decision for you. If we cannot close above this line, then we have to come back down, get a dip, because this is our 50 EMA. We have to touch, get a healthy pullback, get a dip and go up. Or we have to gap up on this, over this line, and once we cross the line, then is almost sure we're going higher and higher up to this trend line. Until we are not sure is a crucial point. So this is about all S&P 500, and let me go back to what's next. Market sell off, news to yeah, S&P 500 analysis, we good. Yeah, and then we have Rigetti. We already discussed about Rigetti, and we already played very well, and I think I already made them. You can look my previous video for Rigetti swing trades. You can find all the numbers and detail and chart analysis. Tesla, let me go for the Tesla. Here we go. So Tesla daily chart. Okay, I'm not against or favor of any company or any stock. My job is to study the chart. So in this chart, daily chart, we did very well because this is my trend line. Let me see, open it, go up. Yes, this is my trend line. So here we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days here. We go in a positive directions. But if my dear brothers and sisters, I'm not against any company. I love Elon Musk and his IQ and his efforts. But I'm making a higher low here on the daily chart. Weekly chart, same thing. I'm making a, so again see higher high, lower. And then I also, on a weekly chart, my price is okay, but on the daily chart, yeah, my price is under 50 EMA. So this is another my problem here. I don't like the chart. I know the volume is increasing. This is a plus sign, but sooner or later, this chart, I'm not feel very comfortable to do a trading with this chart right now to any expectations. So be careful and set your stop loss, and or if you can buy, you can buy. I'm not telling you either buy or sell, but it's up to you guys. But I can tell you what the chart's telling me or it's explaining to me. One more thing here. So then we have a Meta. Yes. So we have earning on Thursday, and I explained you on my Friday video and Monday video why they are selling off. So I hope you watch the video. So, and then Thursday we have this line I made on Monday. I told you in the video, this is my support line, and exactly today we just touch it. Just wick go down and go up. So in my opinion, I assume it's a bounce back now from this point, but we'll see tomorrow how it goes. You can also check with the RSI. It's below 50. Okay, anyway, so it may bounce back from here because this is a major resistance. This is my resistance here. If it broke here, then we will come here on the 50 EMA, your second support here. Let's go back to QBTS. Yes. So in the QBTS, as I told you in the beginning, I give you one more swing trades. This is my strategies. I made money on the QBTS today. I'm doing tomorrow again, same thing. One more thing I want to tell you. So when I give you these entries, for example, buy zone is $16.15, $16.30. It may not come tomorrow, for example, but it come on Thursday or Friday. Or for example, you bought it. I bought. How I do? Okay, I bought it. For example, I'm going to spend $5,000, and I will divide my money in this level. I will not buy everything on 30, or I will not buy everything on 15. I buy in this price zone, little by little. And in case, for example, on it goes 615, go 16 and hit my stop loss, it go all the way 16. It's okay. I know my strategy. I know my study. I study my chart. I know my entries, but it doesn't mean I will give up the stock. I got a stop loss. Most people gotta hit the stop loss and then don't do a trade. And the next day, the trade come back and go all the way to the 90 or 20. So, my dear friends and brothers and sisters, once you got a stop loss, price go to 650. It's okay, 1540, whatever. When the price come back, I will put the alert on my chart. So when the price come back to $16, $16.50, I got alert. I buy again. So I will stick to the plan. Always, you follow the discipline, not emotions, not a fear. My discipline telling me, what's the mean discipline? Follow the discipline, because many YouTubers and many traders advise you stick to the discipline. What is the discipline? This is a discipline here. This is my price buy. This is my price to buy. This is my price zone. This is my breakout entry. In case price never come here, price go to 690, 70. This is my breakout entry. I can enter also here, but I will not buy at 1690. I go, let the price go, break the resistance, go up to all the way 69. Let me go to chart actually. It's better for you. I'm sorry. It's better to QBTS. I will not take you longer. Okay. So go. This is a daily chart here. Let me go to hourly chart. Okay. So let me go to the slide. Breakout. Breakout is 1690 or 1710. So this will be something like this. Yeah. So I will not buy here because I watch, because this is a wick. It's not a breakout. Once the candle, this body of the candle close above 1690, it means a breakout happened. If the wick, I don't count the wick. Wick is just a noise. So once or 30 minutes candle or 1 hour candle close above 1690 and price go up 1710, 1730, and then it come back to retest the support. When it come back to retest, I'll buy. And then my target will be 1850, 1975, 21, 30, 2 to 5 days trading days, and higher high and higher lows across all time frame. So I use time frame 1 hour. I use daily. When I make a strategy, I use 4 hour, I use 2 hour, I use 1 hour, and sometimes I use 30 minutes. But I don't use 1 minute, 30 minutes. This is not my chart. This is not chart for you either. If you are not a scalper, if you are not a day trader, never ever touch these charts 1 minute. My dear brothers and sisters, I can begging you. If you stop looking 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes and 30 minutes, your trading will be successful. Just don't look here. When the buy signal come here, I can show you indicator. You can use anyone's indicator. When you get a buy signal, I buy there. So use higher time frame, use this 50 EMA. If the price is below, I will not trade. In daily, in 4 hour, look, bullish. In 2 hour, again. In 1 hour, all the time this price is above 50 EMA. My dear brothers and sisters, it's very hard to lose the trade like this. But stock market is always a risk. But our job, our study, these indicators make this risk less, not zero. There's always a chances, but it's better. So here's where we all go, QBTS here, and then all time frame retest breakout zone. This was in case reversal. This is my retest. Volume confirmed strength. EMA crossover shows bullish momentum. Stay above 1585 to remain bullish short term. If the price stay above 1585, it has a bullish trend. So this is all, my brothers and sisters. Have good luck. God bless you, everybody.